My name is Kelley Lancaster, and I'm a business development manager with our Charles River Cell Therapy CDMO support. At Advanced Therapies Week this week, we have recently launched our Charles River Incubator Program, which is going to support our preclinical early development clients and assist them with additional studies, laboratory space, what have you, in order to advance their IND application. Really, it's all about just having that concept to cure, showcasing our locations for our cell and gene therapy CDMOs. We've got 5 locations, and the capabilities that we have with our cell therapies through process development, through our commercial operations. I think that really with our experience with 20 products, whether in cell or gene, and our experience with our commercial products, we've got a really bright future ahead of us. We've got a lot of things happening at our Memphis cell therapy location and a lot of opportunities for us in the pipeline.